Alright, I'm back. I did a little bit different on the wiring here. Just hooking it back up now. Making a spark show. No circuit breaker. I think spark pretty good when you short things out. She's alright, I don't care. I like it that way. Keeps you on your toes. Okay. So there it belongs. That goes that way, that goes there. It's going to go right to here. Should be just fine. Okay, take that gas tank off. This is hot, so we have to be careful. There are no lights, so I have to worry about that problem right now. Alright, I need a 1/2 inch socket. Okay, so we don't want the gas tank to fall away when we do this. Should be on the other side. Let's see here. Might be a little bit of a problem here, maybe. We'll see in a minute. That goes underneath that. Maybe a washer or something here, I bet. It probably wouldn't hurt. Find me a washer real quick. Oh, get out of here, dumbass. Okay, washer. Washer. Okay, goes there. Goes there. Go. All right. Customize the bracket. There we go. Got a little bit of customization there. All right. This goes down here. Back over here. Good. Zip tie laying around here. Okay, this is our starter switch. I need to have that if we can get to it. Could be able to start the bike. That going around the other way. Oh, get on that battery. There we go. That's going to go right over to here. right there. Fine. There. Sit there, it's fine. Okay. Custom. Custom. Alright, so now we have our ignition switch right here. It's off there. It's on either position because there's no lights, so it works either way. Either way you want to turn it, we'll make it work. And all you gotta do is pull out your starter button right here, zap it. So we need to put this here, we won't lose it. And later on we can make a button someplace. For now, it's going to be sitting right here. And a little zip tie to hold that in. Zip ties. Put that, we won't lose it. Gotta put it nearby where it doesn't get lost. Don't want to lose your starter button. Okay, there's our starter button. Right over there. Laying right on the battery. Perfect. I like it. Get rid of the zip tie here. Won't work very good with a seat on the bike, but other than that, it'll work just fine. Alright, so all you gotta do is go over here, take this and touch that, it runs. Either position you put that will make it fire. Why did it not start? Don't know. I assume it has spark. It should have spark. Guess I wired it wrong. Possible. Let's see here. Got enough feeling to run on it. I should have fired it. Okay, we ain't got no spark for some reason. What did we do to my sparky deal? Let's see, here's a light flashing on here. We got no more flashy. Trigger's not flashing. Means we have no juice. Got juice there. Did we do that wrong? I don't know. Let's take the wrong spot. Must be on the wrong screw. My mistake. Yep. Looked at the wrong screw, we'll do that. Why the hell would I do that? That's stupid. Why did I do that? I can do it. I'm gonna take it back apart. That's extra work. What's up with that? Too many. All right. Pull the key out. Pull the switch out. Switch location to there. No, that would be the same thing. What the hell am I doing different here? Let's double check this here. Something not right. I had it working, now it doesn't work. Okay. One of these is hot, that one's hot, that one's not hot, that one's not hot. Position 1. That one's hot, that one is not hot. Position 2. That one's hot, that one's hot. Hey dumbass, you put it in the wrong position. You got a 50-50 chance of doing it. So I did it wrong. Yeah. It's hard to get good help, that's all I can say. This junk battery seems to work pretty good on Evos. Doesn't work on twin cams. Actually, I think it came out of FXR. Okay, let's go to the next position there. Let's try this one. Let's put this one back over here in the lighting one that's now vacant. Hey, put your butt back over there. Ah! Phillips screwdriver works way better for starting them. Just can't torque them. Okay, that one's tight. That one's tight. We'll double check it, just to make sure. Ground. Okay, this one's hot. This one's not. This one's not. Ignition on. She's hot. Not hot over there. Ignition 2, lighting circuit, hot and hot. Okay, we got it right this time. Amazing how that works. Okay, let's plug her back up in there. Don't touch anything in the ground. That'd be best not to touch any ground. Put this back up on here like that. Okay. Keep losing the key switch. Make sure the key is square to the bike. Very important to make things correct. Okay, it's pretty tight. On. Okay. Try this again. Okay, contact. So, ignition on. Next position. Appears to work. Looks like a charm. Amazing how things work when you do it right. Okay, we are good to go for now. We'll be back in a little while.